My name is Nina Venter and I'm studying molecular biology and biotechnology at the University of Stellenbosch. I grew up in Nelspruit in the sunny Lowveld in Mpumalanga. Growing up, I traveled a lot with my family across the country and Africa. I saw different places and people. We visited museums, the planetarium, botanical gardens, and the Sutherland Telescope, to name a few. I think these experiences really shaped me into the person I am today. It made me a very curious and adventurous person. I want to see new things, I want to experience things, I want to find out how things work, and I want to learn more about life and the components that make life possible. This brings me to my next point, which is why I'm studying what I'm studying. At school, my favorite subject was biology. I also enjoyed chemistry and maths. I knew that I wanted to build my life on this base, something that combines those three subjects. The only problem was that I didn't know what degree would make that possible. So I went for career advice. And based on my good marks, I was told to study medicine. But something about it just didn't make me excited. It just wasn't me. Working with patients for the rest of my life, just not Nina. I am much more interested in why someone is sick and what makes them sick, and also what we can do to make them better and how the medicine works to make them better. So I also went to study to shadow at a virologist, and I was genuinely interested in the work and the research that they did. I was impressed at how adaptable their labs was and how they aren't bound to one specific pathogen or virus, and how they can just easily convert their labs to do research on something else. For example, the lab that I visited, they did research on the HIV virus, and when COVID-19 struck, they converted their labs to do research on the COVID-19 virus, and they also helped to create a vaccine to cure it and to prevent the virus from spreading. Then I heard of molecular biology and biotechnology. I made the choice to turn down the offer that I got to study medicine and do a BSc instead. Molecular biology and biotechnology is about the functions, the systems in the body on a molecular level, and biotechnology is about genetics, so cloning, genetic modification, and so on. I decided that I would do that as an undergraduate and then possibly do a postgraduate in virology, but a lot can happen on the way. That's the best thing about science, is the endless possibilities, and the many of which I would never even know of in my lifetime. I think that if I find something else along the way that is not virology, then I can just easily switch to that and do a postgraduate in that instead. Science is ever changing, the possibilities are endless, and I don't think I will ever be bored if I study what I study and become a scientist one day.